Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss on expressions in Groovy Script. Why we use expression? Expression represents the result of applying operators to operands. Here, let's see the type of the expressions. There are 10 type of expression. First one is arithmetic expression. Second one is relational expression. Third one is logical expression. And here you can see in arithmetic expression it's used to perform mathematical calculation, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, power. Relational expression to compare values. Logical expression work with the boolean values, means true or false. Then bitwise expressions operates on binary representation. Assignment expression to assign or update the values. Then conditional expression, decision making in one line. Elvis expression, it provide default values if null. Then it is safe navigation expression, prevents null pointer error. Means if there is null value, it will be prevent from error. Then spread expressions, it is used to apply a methods to all elements in a collection. The tenth is specific expression. So specific expression is used to compare two values. So let's see definition and uses of the each type of expression. Here, first arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression, they perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and even power. Why we use them? We use them to calculate totals, average, discounts, or tax. Without arithmetic expression, we couldn't automate maths in a business logic. Then next is relational expression. They compare values using operators like equal, equal to, not equal, less than, greater than, and so on. We use them to make decisions. For example, checking if makes are above passing level or if delivery is late. They help us enforce rule and condition. Then third one is logical expression. They works with the boolean values using and, or, and not. We use them to combine multiple conditions. For example, a person may need both a ticket and an ID to enter. So logical expression let us handle complex decision making with the multiple rules. Then fourth one is bitwise expressions. Bitwise expressions, they operate on binary representations using operators like and, or, not, left shift, right shift, etc. We use them to work with the binary data like permissions, flag, or low level system settings. For example, combining read and write permissions. They are essential when data is stored as bits. Then fifth one is assignment expression. Assignment expression is assign or update values using operators like equal, plus equal, minus equal, and so on. We use them to update values efficiently. Instead of writing x is equal to x plus 5, we simply write x plus assign 5. This make code shorter, cleaner, and easier to maintain. So then sixth one is conditional expression. Conditional expression allows decision making in one line. and we use them to make quick decision. For example, free shipping if order is greater than or equal to 500, else charge 50. It reduces the need for long if else block. It reduces the need for long if else block. Then seventh one is Elvis expression. Elvis expression provides default value if something is null, and we use them to avoid null values. For example, if username is missing, login as cached. This prevents error and ensures smooth execution. Then it it is safe navigation expression. So safe navigation expression are prevent null pointer error using object safe navigation symbol property, and we use them to avoid crashes when an object is null instead of throwing an error. Groovy safely return null. This make applications more robust and error free. Then ninth one is spread expression. So spread expression is they apply a method to all elements in a collection, and we use them to apply operations on collection easily. For example, converting all products name to uppercase, and it saves time and avoids writing loop manually. And last one is spaceship expression. Spaceship expression, it compares to value using space shift symbol and returns -1, 0, or 1. And we use them to simplify sorting and ordering. For example, comparing price or dates, it make custom sort logic much easier. So we have just covered 10 type of expression in Groovy. That is arithmetic, relational, logic, bitwise, assignments, conditional, elvish, safe navigation, spread, and spaceship. Each one has its own purpose, and now you know exactly why we use why they are in use. Okay, so in next lecture we will see example of the each expression type. So stay tuned. Thank you.